Right, thank you so much.
Thank
I really
you.
appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you.
You take it. All right, we're going to do a Honda Accord 2013. We add in a key. So this is the customer key. You can see the red light, something wrong in here. So we're just gonna make a new key. So we can change the battery in here. Sometimes it's come with a low battery, so the customer not gonna have issue with that. It's good. Now we just wanna need to close it with the screw. Now we're gonna decode the key. So now we want to match it, make sure it's good. We're gonna cut first of all the first one. Unfortunately in Honda, in the laser cuts, you need to do the second side. All right. Alright. Now we're gonna need to program it. What we're doing right now, we're connecting a programmer to the OBD. Go to Honda, agree, please turn the ignition, the key is on. It's good. It's a blade key, it's not a smart key. We're gonna go to keys. We wanna add a key. Turn ignition on. Now it's telling us to turn off. Turn on again, turn off. Now turn on the ignition switch with the new key. Off, on, off, on. Remember the device indication is off. It is off. We do yes. Off again. On. Key registration has been completed. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn off. We're gonna do OK. Now we're just gonna make sure it's good. Okay. That's the new key. It looks good. Looks good. That's it.